Are you ready to create your very own interactive quiz on Telegram? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a quiz, customize it, and share it with your friends or followers, all in just a few minutes. Whether you want to challenge your contacts, host a fun game night, or even create educational quizzes, today I'll walk you through every step using the super helpful Quizbot. Let's get started. First, grab your phone or PC and open up the Telegram app. If you haven't used Telegram to make quizzes before, don't worry, this process is straightforward and surprisingly powerful. Just make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now in the Telegram search bar at the top, type @Quizbot. That's the secret sauce behind making quizzes on Telegram. When you see it pop up, tap it to open a chat with Quizbot. From here, you want to tap or click Create New Quiz. This tells Quizbot you want to start making a fresh quiz. If at any point you realize you've made a mistake or you want to stop and try again, just type /cancel. That's a handy way to exit the process. And if you want to start another quiz later, just type "It really couldn't be simpler." Quizbot will now walk you through a series of easy questions to set up your quiz. First, it asks for your quiz's title. Take a moment here, think of something fun, catchy, or descriptive. Your title is the first thing people will see, so you want it to stand out. Maybe you call it General Knowledge Challenge or Math Quiz for Beginners, whatever fits your purpose. Next up, Quizbot will ask you for a description. Now, if you don't want to add one, you can just type. Sometimes you'll want a description for extra clarity, but it's totally up to you. Don't worry if you're unsure right now, you can always add one later. After setting your title and optionally your description, click on Menu, and from there tap Poll. This is where you actually build the individual questions for your quiz. Think of this step like laying out each question on a chalkboard before a class. It's all about being clear and specific for your quiz takers. Type in your question, for example, which planet is closest to the sun? Then list your answer choices. Make sure you select the correct answer here so the quiz knows which response wins. If you're planning a longer quiz, you'll repeat this process for each new question. Once you've finished inputting all your questions, type Done. Don't rush here. Double-check your questions and answers so everything is good to go. Quizbot then lets you pick the timer duration for each question. This sets how much time people have to answer, short for fast-paced fun, or longer if you want to give people time to think. You can also choose the shuffle mode, which mixes up the order of questions so the quiz isn't the same every time, great for replayability. When that's all set up, Quizbot will generate your quiz. You'll get a special link or post that you can share directly with anyone on Telegram. Send it in a group to a single friend or even as a public challenge for educators, group admins, or just anyone who loves quizzes. This is a fantastic way to engage people without needing any extra apps. And that's it. Creating and sharing a quiz on Telegram is fun, quick, and entirely free. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, tips, or quiz ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy making your next Telegram quiz.